Is your laundry area working for you, or is it adding stress to your day? Today, we're diving into the world of laundry love to simplify, organize, and maybe even glam up your laundry routine. Let's tackle day 9 of our easy 20-day declutter challenge. In case you don't know who I am, my name is Shanice Banis, and I'm an organizing expert and content creator for my blog, City of Creative Dreams, and founder of Inspired by Organizing, a custom e-design organizing service. We're in the heart of the challenge, and today it's all about the laundry supplies. A tidy and functional laundry area can make this everyday chore much easier and maybe even enjoyable. If you're just joining us, don't worry. Each day of the challenge stands alone. The best part is that you don't have to follow the schedule in order. Make it your own. Be sure to grab free printable checklist linked below to guide you. Here is a quick sneak peek into what the 28 days look like and what we have accomplished so far. Now let's get into today's mission. Today's decluttering mission has 3 simple steps: streamlining your stock, laundry Luxe, and eco-friendly options. Step 1, streamlining your stock. Start by pulling out all your laundry supplies. Yes, all of it. Gather detergents, fabric softeners, stain removers, and anything else you use in your laundry routine. Are there products you've stopped using? Do you have expired items or duplicates taking up space? Where are there random things you forgot were even there? Keep only what you use regularly and say goodbye to the rest. This step alone can make a huge difference. Step 2, laundry Luxe. Next, it's time to create a laundry setup that's both functional and fabulous. Think storage solutions that work for you. Use clear jars or containers for powders and pods. Use labels to keep everything organized. Store frequently used items within easy reach. If you're feeling extra, add a touch of decor, a small plant, a framed print, or even a cute laundry theme sign can make the space feel inviting. Step 3, eco-friendly options. Let's talk about sustainability. Consider switching to eco-friendly laundry alternatives like reusable dryer balls, biodegradable detergents, or concentrated refills to reduce. Not only are these better for the planet, but they also help create a cleaner, greener space for you and your family. And there you have it. Your laundry supplies are officially decluttered and beautifully organized. Doesn't it feel amazing to streamline your routine and elevate your space at the same time? If you tackle today's mission, share your progress in the comments below. What's one change you made to your laundry setup that you're most excited about? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss tomorrow's challenge. You're doing such an incredible job, and I'm so proud of you and the progress you made. See you tomorrow in the next video for day 10. Bye!
Hey, before you go, thanks for watching, and get more information at cityofcreativedreams.com. See you there!